ብዙዎች የሚመኙትን ኦፕን ኤአይ እሱ በራሱ ፈቃድ ለቀቀ። ይህ ውሳኔ በወቅቱ ብዙዎችን ግራ ያጋባ ነበር። ለመሆኑ ይህንን ትልቅ ተቋም በራሱ ፈቃድ ለምን ለቀቀ? አራቪንድ ኦፕን ኤአይን ለመልቀቅ የወሰነው በዚህ ኤአይ ዘመን እሱ ሊፈታው የሚገባው ችግር እንዳለ በማየቱ ነበር። እናም ያ ችግር ለሱ እድል እንደሆነ አመነ። ኦፕን ኤአይን ለቆ ሙሉ ጊዜውን ችግሩን መፍታት ላይ አተኮረ።
I didn't have the advantages that you all have coming out of Oxford. So when I became a founder and CEO, I was perplexed by the simplest of questions: health insurance for my employees. I didn't have anyone to call and tell me the answers to these questions. And there are two reasons for why I could not get these answers. First is they don't teach you all this in electrical engineering or computer science. The second is I had no mentors or network to tell me. So my co-founders and I decided to invent an AI to do that. And that